Meet the Z Typewriter, a triple channel keyboard with vintage looks, modern features and a retro design that's a conversation starter wherever it's kept. This keyboard can connect to 3 devices at once, 2 over Bluetooth and 1 over Wi-Fi adapter, and you can jump between them with a single tap. And the best part is it has a built-in dock. Drop in your phone or tablet, compatible with everything: laptops, PCs, smart TVs, tablets and smartphones. Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android. One shortcut and you are switched. For instant productivity, it's got all the quick keys. It has an auto sleep function. It makes a super practical gift, perfect for employees, clients or any corporate occasions.